Hello, my dear friends, I missed you. Let's see this project with Ecopoxy. We need shells, a mold for our tray, resin, and some grabbers. Be careful when you choose your shells, just choose the ones that suits the mold. Because we don't want problems later. There's two ways to do this. The first one, just put the shells first, and don't forget to clean very well your mold, of course. And the second one, you put the resin first. And talking about resin, we are using a deep pour resin. This means that we have a ratio 2:1 or 3:1 ratio. And this means the resin will cure in maybe 2 to 3 days or 4 days, because when we use a deep pour resin, they cures in 72 hours or something like that. It depends on your resin, but this is regular rule for this kind of resin. I am using FlowCast from Ecopoxy. What I'm doing just now is to moving the shells, because I want all the air above the shells, inside the shells, came out to the surface, and we don't have problems later with bubbles. Hey, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. So I just put just a little thin layer of resin first. Then I start to move the shells and, move the air inside. And then I pour a little bit more of resin. And then I moved again the shells. And this helped me to clean very well the resin with the bubbles that stuck on the tray. But, this kind of resin, it's really hard to do some bubbles, because these are for deep pour, but they are so liquid, and we need to be careful with that, because the things tend to float, and we need some weight for the things we want to encapsulate stay inside the resin. Don't forget to cover your tray with something, because we are working with a transparency thing, and it's really easy to mess everything up. And try to don't move your piece till it's fully cured. Right after I demold, I had to travel maybe 5 days. Then when I came back home, I had to sand a little bit the surface, just in the clear space, because the resin can't hold to the shells that are above the line. I don't know how to explain that, I'm sorry. But the thing is that when your resin is fully cured, you need to sand. And I just sand the clear part, because the resin can hold to the shells. So if you didn't wait 5-6 days, you just can't skip this step. And for this part, I am using a 12-hour resin, a regular resin. And you can do this, but just be careful with the bubbles, because these can ruin all of the previous work. I just want to say thank you for all your support. Thank you for every comment and like. And of course, you will see more of these techniques in the channel soon. If you want something in particular, please leave a comment and I'll do it. So thank you for everything, and we will just put the grabbers or holders, I don't know how to say this. And this is it for today's video. I just want you to see how clear and shiny is this project, and I hope you give it a try. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you the next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye.